Hello friends, now this is the continuation of our yesterday's exercise. We'll continue with that. Sixth sentence is the president donates blood to the patient. 6. The president donates blood to the patient. So I think this is simple. What you have to do is, when you have got two objects, I told you, the direct object should be the subject of the passive. So we begin like this: blood is donated, to be plus past participle, to the indirect object patient by the president. So that is the answer to that. It's clear, I think, because this is very simple. So there's no point, not a question now. Where do they keep it? Let's have another example. Where do they keep it? 7. Where do they keep it? So it's a question. First, what I have to do is, you have to simplify this. They do keep it where. Then do keep will become keep. They keep it where. Next one. Now the passive will be it is kept by them where. Now question, where is it kept? That's enough. Standard passive, that's enough. We will not say where is it kept by them, because by them is not a specific person or nothing definite about it. It's indefinite. Can be anybody. So if you want, you can drop it. That's what I meant. If you want, if you are insistent on writing, you can write where is it kept by them? You can say, but that is not required. Understand? And now 8. Next one, we will see the 8th sentence. I think you are following me, isn't it? Are you? Yes. And everyone helps someone. You have got that. Everyone, 8. Everyone helps someone. Okay. So what will you do? You will, the passive will be someone is helped by everyone. Someone is helped by everyone. Alright? And then 9. 9th one is society honors the philanthropist. Society honors the philanthropist, means lover of men. Philanthropist. Philanthropist means a person who does charity, works of charity. So the simple passive is this. So we said the philanthropist. The philanthropist is honored by the society. Society we can, if you want, drop. The philanthropist is honored. Yes. Listen. And then you can see, if you have got another sentence, mother sends a present to, mother sends, 10th one, mother sends a present to her daughter. Mother sends a present to her daughter. Which one? 8th, 9th one, isn't it? Yes. Mother sends a present to her daughter. So passive is very simple. You have got the direct object, a present, a person is sent. That is past participle to her daughter. To her daughter by mother. That's by mother. Alright. Now the 10th one, this is also very simple, so therefore no point in explanation. And why does he draw water from the well? Then, why does he draw water from the well? Stop. Question, so we have to simplify this. Thus draw will become he draws. He draws water from the well. And now he draws water, passive will be water is drawn. Isn't it? From the well. Now you can say, why is, question now, why is water drawn from the well? So that is the answer. Steps, that's just for your understanding. Okay. Then we have got the next one. This is the number. I think I have mixed up the number. Okay. Doesn't matter. Still we will proceed with the other examples. You have examples like the next one is, see, the cap seller throws caps at the monkeys. The cap seller, next one, the cap seller throws caps at the monkeys. So the caps are thrown by the cap seller at the monkeys. Understand? The cap seller throws caps at the monkeys. Passive is caps are thrown by the cap seller at the monkeys. Caps are thrown at the monkeys by the cap seller. That also, that will be much better, I think. So you bring at the monkeys here. Okay. And then that will be better order, isn't it? Yeah. Then you have got the another example. That is 10th or 11th. Yeah, you can say like that. The teacher loves the student. The student means the studious students. The hardworking, yes. The student is loved by the teacher. That is very simple for you. Then now we will have a question. What question do you want? When do they take break? When do they take food? Question. So what will you say? Simplify. Do take will be take. Then they take will be they take food. Food will be the sentence. Then we will say food is taken by them. And question will be, when is food taken by them? Question. Simple? Any sentence you can do now? Yes. Let's try one or two questions, then we will see. And now you will do an yes or no question and then see whether it will be easier for you. Okay. Do they play football? Or do they play chess? Do they play chess? So yes or no question, simplify. They do play will become play. Chess. So chess is played by them. Question will be, is chess played by them. So that's is just played by them. Another example. Does she sing songs? Question. Does sing will be sings. She sings songs. Passive will be songs are sung by her. Question will be are songs, because the given sentence is the question, so you have to convert your answer also in the question. Are songs sung by her? With a question mark. I think now it is easy for you. Alright? So let's do one or two more, and then with this we will wind up. Hope that you will become masters of passive in the simple present without any difficulty. Okay? So we will have a sentence, simple sentence like this. That is, we see light at the end of the tunnel. So you see light is seen at the end of the tunnel. Bias is not required because it is not a specific thing. Anybody can see that light is seen at the end of the tunnel. Okay. Now next one is, do people enjoy fun these days? Okay. Then simplifying will be, do enjoy will be enjoy. People enjoy fun. Fun is enjoyed by people. Is fun enjoyed by people. So that's question mark. So question should be question mark. Now we'll go on last W's question. With that we will say goodbye to this session. Okay? So you are following and you are enjoying, I think, because it is very interesting. This part of grammar is very interesting because you can do something with your brain. Yes. So here it is. You have got the last sentence here. See, you are going to, why do people quarrel? Okay. Quarrel. Okay? Or you don't like quarrel? Yes. So why do people give money to the needy? Okay, so do give is give, then money. So we will say that people give money. That is the sentence. So money is given by people to the needy. And so why is money given to the needy by people? And by people can be left out because not specific. When something is not specific, you can leave out. So that way you can say, why is money given to the needy? So with that we come to the end of this session. So tomorrow we will see what are the uses of the simple present. So till then, bye. Have a nice day. Enjoy.